One sunny morning, Chirpy and friends went to the beach. Everyone wore their little sun hats and their favorite swim rings. Look at the big blue waves. Whoosh, whoosh, they rolled in, one after another. The little birds tiptoed closer to the water. Ooh! It looks so cool and sparkly. One brave little bird floated out on the water. Wee! The gentle waves rocked her, up and down. Then all the friends lined up on the warm sand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little birds, ready to play. They splished and splashed their toes, right where the water meets the sand. Splish, splash, splish. For a little while, they just watched the big, beautiful ocean, and listened to the waves. The soft white sea foam tickled their little feet. Hee hee! That tickles. Side by side, the friends watched the waves dance. Hello, waves! Hello, sea! What happy little faces! The friends smiled great big smiles in the warm golden sunshine. At the end of the day, they found a quiet little pool, calm and still. What a wonderful beach day! Goodbye, little birds. See you next time.